if you notice here, this is the Spanish royal seal for the family of basically the Spanish royal family. This seal was awarded to Bacardi in 1871 because there was a prince of Spain before. So he was always sick. He was a very sickly prince. His name was Prince Alfonso the something, whatever number that he had. What they did was they gave him to show that his product was a superior product, was a very clean product, was a very pure product. They gave it to him as medicine every day, Bacardi Superior. And from the day that he started drinking Bacardi, he became lively. Okay? Now people say it is either he was drunk already, but the thing is, it showed them that, wow, from a sickly kid to now a prince that's running and going all over the place. Okay, so that is what Bacardi did for him. So from that time, the Spanish royal family awarded their seal to Bacardi to use forever, basically. Okay, and what does that seal? That seal means that they are purveyors to the Spanish royal family. So if it's rum that is served in the Spanish royal household or any parties or basta the Spanish royal family, it was always a Bacardi rum that is served in their parties or to their for their personal consumption. Okay?